Okay, so number 25A, you got what?
21A.
Yes, 21A rather.
25.
25 and 21B.
The answer is Simon because he did more throws.
Yes, your answers are correct because probability of a head is half. So since it is thrown 50 times, it will now 50 times the probability, which is 25. So give that place 1 mark. And then Simon is correct here because Simon uh, did the throw 100 times. So he will be more accurate than Paula, who did it 10 times. If you use 2 half to multiply 10, you get 5. But when you use half to multiply 100, you get 50. So the person who throw it 500 times should be more accurate. So one mark on each of them. That is number 21, 2 marks. Then number 23, because we have done 22 earlier.
Mhm.
23A, B, C,
N to the power of 8.
N to the power of 8, and B,
C, D cubed.
number C,
X is greater than 2.8.
X is greater than 2.8. Okay, mark all of them. Let me see the mark. Okay, this one is 2 marks. Then this one also is 2 marks. And this is 1 mark. So number 23, you got to 5 marks there. So all of them are correct. Okay, it's just all of them, A and B, are obeying the law of indices. And then now C is inequalities. All right, let's go to number 24.
2 hours and 45 minutes.
2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, let's see. Say Ando cycles 30. So in the first place, speed is equal to distance over time, meaning that time is equal to distance over speed. So let's verify. Then, since he cycles the first time, 30 over 24. And this paper is a calculator paper, so we can divide with the calculator. 30 divided by 24 will give us 1.25 hours, okay? Then the second time will be 12 km, 12 divided by uh, speed, which is 8. So 12 by 8 will give us 1.5, okay, as the time. So the addition of the two. So you add the two, and that is going to give us plus 1.25. That is equal to 2.75. You must be correct. So therefore, 0.75 multiplied by 60 is going to give us, yes, your answer is correct. So 2 hours, 45 minutes is correct. That means the marks there, oh, they put it that way, 2 hours, 45 minutes. The marks there is 3 marks for number 4. Sorry, number 24, 3 marks. Then we go for the next one. I hope you heard me.
Yes.
Okay. So how did you place your inequality in number 25?
Um, is this something like sorry, 9.35 less than or equal to n less than 9.45?
Less than 9 point what?
45.
45. Yes, that should be correct because when you round this, you are going to get 9.4 because they say the result is 9.4 here. And uh, M is greater than or equal to 9.35. So rounding it here is correct for the lower side. On the upper side, this less than they put here is what makes this 9.45 correct. Because what it means is that 9.45 is not exactly inclusive, but any number less than 9.45 is inclusive. Therefore, 9.45 here is correct. It is not exactly 9.545 because of that less than sign. And then 9.35 here is correct. So you give 2 marks to that place. Your answer is correct. That is the interval that Emo can take in that question. Give it 2 marks. Question number 25. 2 marks. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.